Hey everyone, hope you guys are well. So today I am going to show you how you guys can send message continuously to your friends or someone special or anyone else in Facebook or WhatsApp by using just 4 lines of code. Just 4 lines of code. Just 4 lines. Yes, it is true. So let's go to our PyCharm editor. And if you guys are new in my channel, then like this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the new exciting videos. And if you guys already subscribed my channel, then thank you so much for coming back. You guys are amazing. So let's go to our code editor. So in code editor you have to just create a new file. So just right click on this and new, and then you have to click Python file. Now you have to select a name. That mine is mine.py. So just enter. So yeah, here is our file. Now we just have to do one thing, which is we have to install a package. So go to terminal, and you just have to type pip install py auto gui. Yeah, that's it, and just type in enter. So after some time it will be installed to your project file. You just have to wait. Yeah, that's it. Now we just have to simply import this file. So that's why import py auto gui. Yeah, that's it. Now I want to run this file continuously, so that's why I will type while, and this is true. That's it. Now I want to type a message, so that's why we just have to type py autogui dot, then type write. That's it. Then parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis we have to just write our message what we want to send someone. So yeah, this is my message. And after typing our message we just have to type on enter or send button. So that's why I will again call py autogui dot, then we have to press enter or send button. So that's why press again parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis we have to click enter. So that's it, we are done. Now we just have to do one more thing, which is we have to import time, which is our built-in package. So that's it. And after this message I sent, now after send this message we have to wait for some time. So let's take 4 seconds. It means after sending this message it will wait for 4 seconds. So that's why time dot sleep. Okay, now we have to put their second. So let's take 4 seconds. And after writing and sending this message I want to wait for another 2 seconds. So that's why time dot sleep will be 2 seconds. So that's it, our program is finished. Now it's time to see. So go to your messenger, then this pointer should be in your type a message option. You can see that this cursor should be in your type a message option or box. So go to the PyCharm again, and you have to just run and click main. That's it. And here you can see that hello, how are you, and waiting 2 seconds. Yeah, writing again, waiting 4 seconds, again writing. 4 second, writing, waiting 2 second, send, again writing, waiting 2 second, send. Yeah, that's it. I'm not typing this message, guys. It is just going on, and it will do continuously. So if you guys want to stop this message, what you have to do? You have to do is what? Just click on this red option. Yeah, you can see that here is our message, and this is typing, and this is sending now. Yes, writing and sending. Again 2 second pause, and writing, and then again sending. Then you guys can see that, you guys can see what is going on here. It is just writing and sending. So if you guys want to stop this, just you have to just click on this red button. Just click on this red button, and yes, this will be stopped. Yeah, that's it. And if you guys want to, okay, let me just get rid of this too. And if you guys want to limit your messages, then let me take a variable message. So I want to send a message for 5 times, so that's why it will be just 5. And let's change this message. Who are you? I don't know you. So yeah, so let's change this to this true. Yeah, while we true. So this means it will send continuously, but we don't want to send continuously. We just want to send 5 times. So that's why it will be message. And every time you send this message, this number will be decreasing. So that's why message greater than 0. If message greater than 0, then it will, this loop will go on. So and message equal to message minus 1. That's it. So after loop 1, this 5 will here, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So this new value will stored in 4 here. Okay, so this will be now 4, and again it will loop, and this time this 4 will be here. 4 minus 1 is 3, then it will be 3 again here, and after loop another one, then this will be 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2, and this will be 2, and this is true because 2 is greater than 0. Again this loop will happen, and this thing will be 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and then this will be 0, and after 0 will be here, then 0 greater than 0, it is false condition, so that's why our loop will be disconnected. So let's see this. You have to just run and run again, and main, and here, and yes. So let's see what happened. Yes, 1, typing, send, this is 2, again typing, and send, this is 3, and again typing, and send, this is 4, this is last one will be happen now, typing, and send. Yeah, that's it. So our program will not able to send message continuously because we have limited his condition or her condition. So he will just do things for 5 times. So that's it. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, that's it. So that's it. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, then comment below and let me know some of your opinion.